नमो ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताकस्वामिने नामिने नमाचार्यपादाय नित्यायुर्वप्रदायिने गौरगदानामदाय नारायणामदारिणे। हरे कृष्णा गुरु महाराज, दंडवत प्रणाम गुरु महाराज। Guru Maharaj, I am Adulya Damodar Das. I am acting as the Mahajagavari of Sankirtana Desh. This is my family. This is Lalsamai Yogiya Devi Dasi, my wife, and my daughter Aparna Anand. That is my son-in-law Ajit, and this is our grandson, 1 year old, Master Jagannath. We are all here, and I have one son also. He is Shabari. He is doing his CA course in Kerala. He is doing his final examination end of this year, hopefully in December. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, that is our family details. And in Sankirtana Desh, we are a part of Madhura Desh. In Sankirtana Desh, we are conducting many programs. We have a rented hall in Sankirtana Desh. We are doing it as our ashram. Every Friday morning we are having Mangala Arati from 5:30 early morning, and followed with the Srimad Bhagavatam class and Mahaprasadam. We will wind up the program around 10:30. Then every Monday evening we are having Bhagavad Gita study class, evening from 6:30 to 9:30, followed with the Mahaprasadam. That is the main two activities we are conducting in the ashram. Then all the main programs like Janmashtami, Gaura Purnima, Narsima Chaturdashi, Gaura Purnima, all these main festivals, even Kartik, Damodar Arati, all these main festivals we are doing. And every year we are conducting Jagannath Ratha Yatra in Sankirtana Desh. Last year, more than 2,000 devotees attended the program for the Sri Jagannath Ratha Yatra program. And every year we are conducting this for the last 10 years now. So that is the activity. In Sankirtana Desh, we are having 8 Bhakti-Vishta classes, 3 Gurukul. 1 Gurukul is conducting by Aparna, my daughter, and one is conducting by Rajeshri Mataji, and another one is by Parapatti Mataji. So 3 Gurukul classes are going on every week. Then one Bhagavad Gita study class is going on. 2 Bhagavatam study class is going on, and 6 online classes, 3 Bhagavad Gita class and 3 Srimad Bhagavatam class online. So that is going on every week. So this is our weekly activities, and all the main festivals we are doing it. Even last time, all the Ratha Yatra details and Kartik Yatra details we already shared with the JPS office. That is the activities we are conducting here. We are total 5 second initiated devotees are here in Sankirtana Desh, Brahmanical initiated, and 45 first initiated devotees are here in Sankirtana Desh. So we are doing well as per our capacity. So we are requesting your blessings for our spiritual advancement for myself and our family, and spiritual advancement of all the devotees in the Sankirtana Desh. We are giving our Dandot pronouns to your lotus feet. Please bless us, Guru Maharaj, for our spiritual advancement. Hare Krishna, Hare Guru.